friend of mine died last year, and this year her family have sold the house and cleared the contents, and they sent the contents to auction and kept some of the things for home. And I asked them what they were doing with one of the items in the house, because I'd always liked it, and that's the grandfather clock. And they said it's been valued. So I said, well, if I match the valuation, would you sell it to me before it goes to auction? And they did. So it was really nice to buy it, because the family wanted to keep it, but their homes weren't big enough to fit it in. So I brought it here, and I've got it going, and I could do with some help working out how old it is. So here's my new grandfather clock, which didn't work and does now. Okay, what do I know about it? I don't know anything at all. It's 8 feet high. It says Tempus Fugit on the front. Brass face. Lovely tick. I think it has a Scottish theme. If you look here, very heavily carved. I think that's Victorian. I think the Scottish theme, because of the thistles here in their very heavy carving, and then on the base it has that cat's face, or feline face. Okay, as you hear, a lovely chime. It has bells on the quarter, 4 different tunes. A lovely tick. Took a bit of setting up, it didn't work beforehand. These weights are enormous. You can see how big that is. The smallest one, the span of my fingers. Inside the door, that's oak. Pretty sure that that's an oak door. The side panel is oak. It's a cheaper wood back. If I just close this door carefully, you can probably make out the depth of the carving. It's about 2 inches. I don't think it's machine done. I've looked at it. By comparison, if you look at the gap between there and there, and the mirror image between there and there, this is less than that. So it's not machine repetition. Again, there's the thistles here, and the thistles to here, and I'm not sure what this knot is. There's a knot, a sort of bow I think it's symbolic and I don't know what it is, which is why I'd like some help. The only inside here on the face with no names, nothing stamped on, there's some numbers on the inside, but they're just in a sort of a fairly old-fashioned font, but I think it's only to make it look old. And if we look down here, there's the choice there. That says 8 bells and that says 4 bells. And that just alters the tune of the quarter strike. So that's about it. That's all I know. This is my grandfather clock, and I'd really like to know a little more about it. I think it might be around 1860, a bit of Victoriana, but I really don't know. So please get in touch and let me know. Thank you.